Hello grade 2, so today we have our unit 10, lesson 1, what is energy? So basically energy is something that can cause matter to move or change. We have three kinds of energy. We have sound energy, heat energy, and light energy. Sound is energy you can hear. Heat is energy or a kind of energy that makes things warmer, and light is energy that lets you see. You can see objects when light shines on them. You can also see objects that give off light. Basically, in our planet Earth, our sun gives us light and heat. So our sun gives us light and heat. So turn up the heat. When we turn up the heat, what happens when you add heat? Actually, when you turn up the heat, things get warmer. Things get warmer. For example, here we have some heat. This marshmallow gonna get warmer. It's gonna be nice to be eaten. Or it's gonna even, if you let it there, it's gonna burn. So when you add heat, things get warmer. And when you take away the heat, what happens? Things get cooler. So for example, if you stop the heat in here, you're gonna feel kind of like cold or freezing even. So here what we have is from where we could have light, or how light really like change the picture. Basically, as I said previously, we have light from our sun as well, so from the sunlight or from the electric lights, from the lamps etc., as well as from fire. Now here in this picture, if you look at this picture, it's the same place, but here the color of the water and rocks looks dim. It looks dim in the low light. Why? Because here we don't have enough light. But here, as you can see the picture, it's very clear because we have enough light and it looks bright. So the color of the water and rocks looks bright in the bright light. So now here you can see how really the light could affect our pictures. The light could affect our pictures, okay? So when we have like bright light and when we have kind of, you know, dim and non-clear lights. Basically, here we have a new word that we really know it from grade 1, but let's revise it. Vibrate. So what is vibrate? Basically, sound is made when an object vibrates. To vibrate is to move quickly back and forth, and we said this when we have instruments. They have like low pitch or high pitch. We're gonna say what is a pitch now, but if you remember that from previous lessons, we said when vibrating, having like a movement that is so fast, quickly back and forth, like when you're playing in your guitar or in your drum or something like this. Because of the vibration, we have what we call sound. Same thing for you. When you're talking, you can feel, you can touch your neck and your throat. You're gonna feel it now. Please just touch your neck while talking. You're gonna see that there is some kind of vibration that you can feel it with your hand. So I want you all to touch your necks right now and talk, and you're gonna feel the vibration. Now, as I said, the pitch is how high or low a sound is. This is what we said about the instrument, for having how high the sound is or how low the sound is. This is called pitch, okay? Same thing for loudness. Now, for loudness is how loud or soft a sound is. It takes more energy to make a loud sound than a soft sound. Basically, now you're gonna try another quick experiment. When you're gonna talk a lot while shouting, you're gonna feel really tired. But when you're gonna talk for a long time with a soft sound, you're gonna feel okay and comfortable, not like while shouting, because while shouting you will feel that you're very tired. Why? Because actually you make more energy. You make more energy, or you need more energy to talk, to talk in a loud voice. Now in here they said name three kinds of energy. So we have heat, light, as well as we said it. So heat, light, and which one is the last one? Think about it. So we have heat, we have light, super, sound. Here they said what happens when you add heat to something. So we said when we add heat, things get warmer, and when we take it off, it gets cooler. Now here they said that we're gonna match. Basically here, which kind of energy we can see here? Actually, it's the sound energy. Here we can see light energy. What about the fire? Actually, for the fire, you're gonna choose both of them, because fire could give us heat and fire could give us light, so we're gonna choose both of them. Super great too. I'm so proud of you. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.